Let's face it, ads can get expensive fast. And if your book doesn't convert, you can blow through hundreds of dollars with nothing to show for it. That's why organic marketing is so powerful. But in 2026, not every free method still works. Today, I'll break down exactly what organic KDP marketing strategies still work and how you can use them to sell your AI books without ever spending a dime. If that sounds good, smash that like button and let's dive into it. Now, organic marketing is all about momentum. Amazon rewards books that get steady downloads and reviews. It's not about one huge spike, it's about consistent traction. The first piece is reviews. Reviews are your lifeline. Without them, readers don't trust you, and even worse, Amazon won't rank you. So how do you get them organically? Build a small launch team. This could be 10 to 15 friends, family members, email subscribers, or even bounty hunters, or even a book bounty launch. Give them early access, ask them to download the book during launch, and most importantly, leave an honest review. Even just a handful of reviews can push you into visibility. The second piece is promos. If you're in KDP Select, use your free days or Kindle Countdown strategically. Don't just set it and forget it. Pair it with outreach. Post it in a relevant Facebook group. Share it with your email list. Drop a post on your TikTok sharing one key tip from your book. When those downloads spike, Amazon takes notice. The third piece is content marketing. The truth is, short form video is still the fastest way to drive free traffic. Take a tip from your book and turn it into a 30-second clip. End with, if you want more, grab the full guide on Amazon. Do that once a day during launch week, and you'll feed Amazon traffic they didn't expect. And here's the last piece, email. You don't need thousands of subscribers. Even 50 to 100 people who care about your niche can move the needle. Every time you launch, they're your guaranteed early buyers and reviewers. So in 2026, organic marketing still works, but only if you do it smart. Focus on reviews, promos, short form content, and a tiny but loyal email list. That's how you sell books without ads and keep Amazon's algorithm working in your favor. Inside my course, I walk you through my entire launch plan step by step. Organic, paid, and hybrid. The link's in the description. And don't forget to subscribe for more strategies on how to sell books the right way. If you got value, smash that like button and I will see you in the next video.